Hello everyone, how you all doing? Oh my god, I am really excited. Why? Because iOS 18.1 RC is just coming up on our devices. It is going to get released the day I'm recording this video. It is on 21st of October, Monday, and the expected dates that we are going to see this iOS update is today. Yeah, there is a possibility today, and if not today, for sure Tuesday or Wednesday, that means 22nd or 23rd, is going to be the day when we are going to see iOS 18.1 on our devices. What I mean by this is, don't get too excited. It is going to be a RC. That means it is going to be a public version, but just for the developers. You guys are going to get this a week after us. What I mean by that, before the October month ends, we are going to get iOS 18.1, and that is a really good news for us. Why? Because iOS 18.1 is basically going to be the real iOS 18. Yeah, the iOS 18 version that we all saw in the trailers and in WWDC. So that is going to be coming up on our devices. All the new AI features, everything new, Apple Intelligence. It is in the betas right now. We can still use it, but it is still not refined enough, and some features do not really work properly, and it is just available on, yeah, you got that right, sadly, just on the iPhone 15 Pro, not the regular 15, just the 15 Pro and the 16 Pro series. That is it. We are not getting any new features or changes on iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 15, any of those devices. So yeah, that is a sad news. But don't get too sad, because iOS 18.1 is going to bring more changes on our devices as well. The necessary and the good changes. What I mean by this, on devices like iPhone 15, 14 Pro, 14, 13, iPhone 12, we are also going to get some things like enhancements in terms of battery screen on time. The battery drain is getting better. The battery screen on time that I'm getting right now is noticeably better compared to earlier. So yeah, that is a good sign. Bug fixes are there, and I have been noticing that iOS 18.1 is noticeably more reliable and has noticeably less bugs compared to earlier iOS 18 versions. Overall, iOS 18.1 seems to be a pretty good and great upgrade compared to previous version, and I'm really looking forward to it. I will be making full-fledged reviews of iPhone 11, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14 on the iOS 18.1. So if you own any of those devices, make sure to turn on notification and subscribe to this channel, because I will be coming up with these videos really soon. Peace out and have a great day everyone, and make sure to subscribe because I am coming up with the full review of iOS 18.1 on all iPhones separately, and I'm pretty sure you are owning one of those.